Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhan Pabi. So ito po yung ating unit na Army Armament R501 Costa Ludus. And so may freebies yan na mag and cap and also free sticker. So ito po yung ating unit. So may logos and markings, na compensator, fiber optic, front sight na color red, naka ambidextrous safety. Yan, so may serration sa kanyang rear and front slide. Then naka magwell. Ito po yung kanyang grip, texture grip. So mayroon siyang railing sa ilalim, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Solid, napakaganda. Pampogi. Thank you.